Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. So earlier today I gave a trade call to my community members on step index. All right, on step index here, and as you can see, this is the daily time frame. So I gave a trade call to my community members on our WhatsApp group. So you can see at about 8 today I gave this trade call on step index. So I'm just going to walk you through the process of how we took this entry. All right, so on the daily time frame on step index, I noticed an order block here. So this was my order block on the daily time frame. Okay, so the market sold at this point after this order block was created here. So this was the last order block before the market sold from here down. All right, so I was expecting for price to come back into this order block, which it did, and I was expecting for price to sell hard. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how the trade decision was made. So after identifying the order block on the daily time frame, I switched down to the 4-hour time frame, and I noticed an imbalance on the 4-hour time frame right here. So there was an imbalance here on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so there was an imbalance here. So just so that was the imbalance on the 4-hour time frame, guys. So after that, so price came into this order block level here, and then price came into this imbalance on the 4-hour. But you notice that because of the buying pressure here, so price took out this imbalance here, but was still inside the order block. All right, so I had to go to the 15 minutes time frame to check what was happening. Okay, so if you notice that on the 15 minutes time frame, the market started consolidating. It was in a ranging market somewhere around here. All right, somewhere around here. Okay, so I had to go to the 5 minutes time frame to watch out closely, and then on the 5 minutes time frame I noticed an order block here. So this was an order block here on the 5 minutes time frame, and then I noticed this equal low here. Okay, so remember I wanted to sell in this particular market here. Now I was waiting for price to take out this equal low and then tap into this order block level. All right, tap into this order block level here, and then buys. All right, so once it takes out this high here, I was supposed to sell. All right, but I needed to be sure that the market was going to sell. Now I'm going to show you the mistake I did and how you should avoid it. All right, so after market failing to come into this order block here, so I waited for the market to take out this high here. All right, so after market took out this high here, I noticed that there was a liquidity here. All right, so market created a liquidity here, so I still needed price to come and tap inside this order block. But you notice that there's a lot of manipulation in the market. All right, a lot of manipulation in the market. All right, a lot of manipulation in the market. So after price took out this liquidity here, this trend line liquidity here, all right, so I was expecting for price to come and tap into this order block here, but price never tapped into it. Okay, so this is like an inducement for price. This was like an inducement because price never came back, all right, to tap into this order block level. So this was an inducement. Okay guys, so you can see that price failed to tap into this order block level here, and then price started buying back. Okay, so immediately price started buying back, I still was interested in selling in this market. Now already, for those of you that trade retailers pattern, all right, you will notice that here already is your left shoulder. All right, then here already is your head here, and then I was expecting for the right shoulder to be formed here. All right, I was expecting for the right shoulder to be formed here, because this was where I took my sell here. All right, this was where I took my sell, somewhere around here. But as you can see that price never sold from that level, rather price kept on buying. All right, price kept on buying. So I had to put my stop loss here so that I won't lose much in the market. Okay, so why did price bought from that level? Now the reason price bought from that level was because of this simple price action that I did not wait for. All right, that is why it is good that whenever you are trading, you wait for extra confirmation. Guys, always wait for extra confirmation, and I'm going to show you now in this video how to wait for that confirmation. Now immediately I saw this shoulder form here and this head, I felt that price definitely will give me the right shoulder here. All right, and I was expecting that since price had not tapped into this order block here, all right, and there was an inducement here, definitely price should sell from this level down here. All right, price should sell from that level, this level down here. All right, so that was why I took. So if you look at this pattern, you will notice that this is like a head and shoulder pattern. All right, and that is why I say that you must always wait for extra confirmation in the market. You must always wait for extra confirmation. But because I did not wait for that confirmation, that was why price took me out. All right, but I'm not afraid, I'm not scared, I'm not worried, because I know I'm going to make back much more than what I lost. All right, because this is trading. Trading is, you know, 90% waiting and 10% analysis. All right, you must wait for your confirmation, guys. So immediately I found out, I took an aggressive entry. All right, I was supposed to have waited for a candlestick pattern here. All right, can you see this candlestick here? So this is a doji candlestick. All right, so immediately this candlestick form, I was supposed to have waited for the next candle to be a sell, guys. I was supposed to have waited for this candle to be a sell. Immediately this candle closed, I entered immediately, and then the market started buying, and then it took my stop loss out. All right, so for a safe entry, I should have waited for the market to close with a sell below this previous candle here. All right, below this previous candle, and that would have been the trigger for my entry. All right, that would have been a confirmation for me to take my sell and price coming back to this order block level. But as you can see, the price took out this level, took out my stop loss, and it is currently on a buy now. All right, so after my analysis, I can still determine if the market is still going to buy or if it's still going to sell. Okay guys, so the purpose of this video is to let you know that whenever you are trading, always make sure you follow your rules. All right, and always wait for extra confirmation in the market. Do not be in a hurry. The market is not running, the market is not in a haste, so you must have the patience to wait for your trade setup to be complete. All right, so if this video makes sense to you, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then turn on your notification bell so that I will drop for you useful videos that will help you to make good trading decision in the forex market, so that you can make much money for yourself. So see you guys in my next trading video.